This is my 2011 Haro Steel Reserve. My favorite part about the Steel Reserve is the classic look a chromoly frame offers with an old school triangle design. It's simple, strong, and looks good. Horizontal dropouts are great because I can use tensioners to pull my chain as tight as I like while keeping my wheel aligned at the same time. I personally like the integrated head tube because it's real easy to work with and gives a real clean look to the front end of your bike.